Alright guys, so we're here with my homie Marcos.
What's cracking? What's cracking?
We're about to hit the meet in Riverside right now. We're about to go. We're gonna go do some stuff real quick. We're gonna meet up with another homie. This is a homie truck right here. 2025 right here. Look at this shit.
A little dirty, but I'm about to go wash it up real quick. Little rinse.
Lifted on 35s, bro.
So
Look at this shit.
kind of thick, boy.
I'm about to cruise with the homie right now. We're about to go do some stuff and then we're gonna pull it to the meet. I'll record on the way. I'm gonna record on the way like little videos of his truck, and then once we get to the meet, we'll record, see what's up. Like I was saying in the last video, I want to start recording more little videos like this, like, you know, just for fun. I mean, I've been doing a lot of truck shit with my homies, and then we have an upholstery business. My family, my dad's been doing upholstery for like years, and he's had his own shop, like already 25-30 years already. So I want to start recording stuff we do at the shop. I mean, like interiors, you know, because sometimes we do pretty cool cars. Like we have this badass T10 LT4 that we did. That was our first full truck build. Like my brother did everything on it. The LT4 swap with the 10-speed. It's a full new frame, everything. Like my brother did everything on it. We just didn't do the paint. That's the only thing we didn't do. But we did the whole interior. I want to record a bit on that truck. That's a pretty badass truck. I think it'd be pretty cool just to show the work we do and stuff. Like I want to do a full, like, in-depth video of my truck, because my whole interior is custom too, as you guys can see. Like it's all leather. We did everything custom on my truck. And then my dad has a couple of cool trucks. My dad, he's always had trucks, but he's always had Chevys, but he bought a Ford because I bought my Ford, and then he would talk shit to me saying, "Oh, why'd you get a Ford? It's only Chevy, blah blah blah." And then he ended up buying one. He bought a 2025. It's whippled already. Stage 1 though. It's only stage 1 whippled. But we did everything on that truck too. The interior, like, it's badass. You put a center console on that truck. We did the whole custom interior. Like it's already dropped on wheels. Like we did everything on it. But right now it's getting color matched. It's been there for like the last 2 weeks. It's gonna be ready tomorrow. I might record a video if I go with him and pick it up tomorrow. No, I'm gonna go with my brother. And we bought like a lip on it for it too, you know, fender flares, the wing, the cap spoiler, the wing at the back tailgate. So that truck is pretty clean too. I want to record a video on the interior on that one for sure, because the interior is badass. And then he has a 2021 Silverado single cab. It's badass. It's a V8. It was a long bed. Him and my brother cut it and made it a short bed, but it's pretty low. It's like on a 5.7 drop. Like it's a pretty badass truck, full custom interior too. Then he has an older 02 Sierra. That one's a 6.0 swap, tune, headers. It's pretty quick for a little truck, but that one's, it's clean. It's just lowered on wheels. The interior is stock. We haven't done nothing to it because the interior's like perfect condition. So me and my brother like, nah, don't mess that interior up, because, like, you know, those olders, it's hard to find clean interior like that. It looks pretty clean. So yeah, I want to make more videos on trucks we have. My brother has the Cat Eye C71. So I want to record a video on that. Always been around trucks and cars our whole life. You know, my dad's always had that for years. So, I mean, that's what he works in basically. We do a lot of custom interiors. So I've always posted videos on TikTok. Not always, but like since I got my truck, I've been posting videos on TikTok. I'm gonna start posting on YouTube now, you know. And then while I got this Osmo, it records pretty good in 4K. So I'm like, screw it, you know. Let me just start posting that shit on YouTube too. See how it goes. But yeah, I want to start posting like behind the scenes of the shop when we're doing upholstery on cars and stuff. Like, you know, how the whole process goes, because it's a lot. I don't think people realize how much work goes into doing upholstery. It's really a lot. Yeah, once we get to Riverside, I'm gonna record more.
450.
So the gas price is looking good right here. Let me see what it's at.
480. How much is it like at over there?
Chevron's like at 5 something, bro.
Bro.
Alright, we're getting gas real quick. I don't need gas. I filled up this morning, but I'll put you 85 either way.
Nah, they don't.
There's a gas station, a car wash near where the meat is at. So they're gonna go rinse them real quick. I'm about to head out. I think there's a cop over there, look. Be scared of the police, bro. He's up to the car wash real quick. He's about to rinse them. Here's the other homie's truck right here. We'll lift it, bro. I gotta lift mine now too. They're just gonna give them a little rinse because they're dirty. And mine's clean. I literally just washed my truck yesterday. I'll be doing detailing on the weekends. You know, I always keep my truck clean. How you doing? It's gonna leave water spots, but fuck it. All types of water spots on this truck. This one right here is just a blacked out cane cheese. I like this, it's really hard. If I lift my truck, I put some of those. We're about to go to the meet. But being with my homies that have their lifted trucks makes me want to lift mine. But I don't know. I like the street truck look. In my opinion. Like I see their trucks lifted, it makes you know be like, fuck yeah, I should lift mine. But I don't know, man. I like the street truck look in my opinion. I feel like it looks cleaner. I mean, lifted looks harder. Don't get me wrong, but I'm never gonna take my truck off-roading or any of that, you know. So there's no point. And then when you take your cars off-roading, I feel like they just get messed up. Like my brother-in-law has a lifted truck, a Ram, and then we go shooting sometimes, and we like it's kind of off-roading because we go up in the mountains. And every time he goes, he like scratches his truck up. I'm like, fuck. I'm like, hell no, I hurt my soul doing all that to my truck. So I don't think I'd ever do that to my truck. But pretty hard looking trucks. We just got here. Bro, I like GNCs. If they made them 6, I would have bought one, bro, instead of the 4. I feel like the front end is hard on those. This one's harder.
You seen how, what's his name? He has it blacked out? Yeah, you like that? Or you like it chrome?
I like it color coded. The way they start doing burnouts, fool. Once you start doing burnouts, when the costs pull up. Oh, it's hard like the SS clone.
SS?
Yeah, the SS clone. I like those. He about to get active, for you already know how that will get down. That's a nice color, bro. This shirt's hot right here, look. Look at this shirt right here. Paint can. Alright, so we're about to head out. We're about to go to Tyler Mall because there's low-key a lot of burnouts and shit, and that's when cops start pulling up. It gets sketchy. I've been to meets where they get shut down completely. Like they block off all the exits. They're fucking ticketing people one by one, getting stay arrests. So that's why we're gonna dip instead. Right? Fuck that. That little homie right there, Ismail Productions. He's gonna go take pictures of our trucks over at Tyler Mall. We came to with the photographer that was at the meet. He hosted it. We left to take pictures with some other homie with a truck. So we came to take pictures real quick. So we're taking pictures. Look at this one. It's an SS clone. There's a dude, he's young, he's like 17. This is hard. Fuck with this shirt heavy. Never go wrong with a cat eye. And I like that he has all the bed line here. You see a lot of people usually chop them up and they leave it all open. Looks clean. Here's the whole SS interior. Yeah, it's a nice looking truck right here. I like it. Lord, man, I'm about to lift my truck too next. Fuck it. This is clean. The famous Ismail Productions over here. We're taking rollers on the freeway. These little dudes are hanging out the fucking truck, bro. That's funny. Split up. They still kept taking rollers, but I had to come to a different freeway because I gotta go pick up my girlfriend real quick. But I think it should come out a decent video with the little clips I took. But that'll be the end of the video right here. Like I said, I'm gonna start recording more and posting videos on YouTube, just some little shit we do. And I'm gonna see how those rollers come out. If they send them to me, then I'll probably post them too on YouTube short or some shit. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video for now though.